How to integrate Google Drive with Slack. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Slack account, and then once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen, and then in here we'll have to go at the bottom and simply tap on this Add Apps option. In here, you can either go on the search bar and then search for Google Drive, or you can simply scroll down here, and then once you see the Google Drive app, what we need to do is to tap on this Add option, and then after that, we will be automatically redirected here, and then in here, what we need to do is to tap on this Add to Slack option. And then after that, in here, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this Allow option. And then we'll just have to wait for a little, and then in here, we'll have to select our account. And then after that, we'll have to tap on Continue. And then in here, we'll have to scroll down again and then tap on the Continue option. After that, we'll have to wait for a little. Once we're done here, we'll have to go back on our Slack account. And then in here, as you can see, I now have the Google Drive app here on my Slack account. So that's how easy we can integrate Google Drive with Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!